I'm greeting you on our channel, just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today I will help you get the maximum bonus up to $515 and correctly activate the new promo code. And our first step is this: we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Next, after downloading the application, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, you need to log out of it. After that, you need to click registration there. Right now, I will choose in one click, but you can choose 3 other variants there. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. In current value, you need to choose your current value, US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. Accept, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept those rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Tap on the green check mark and wait loading for the captcha. Fire hydrants. I didn't see any fire hydrants. Verify. Yeah. And after loading, we will see our actual login and passwords. I recommend you to change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus, or screenshot this. Tap next and go to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. And if you want to support us and support our channel, then follow the link in the pinned comment and use our actual promo code from the description. Goodbye and good luck, so have fun.